What if I told you the secret to faster hair growth, insane shine, and thicker locks isn't in some expensive salon treatment? It's already in your kitchen. These 3 powerful oils have been scientifically proven to transform your hair, and chances are you've been overlooking them for years. Big Beauty wants you to believe you need costly products for healthy hair, but the truth? Nature already has the answer. In this video, I'm revealing the exact oils that stimulate growth, repair damage, and boost thickness, plus the right way to use them for max results. No hype, just real science and results. Hey beautiful! If you're tired of staring at the mirror, begging your hair to grow faster, fighting breakage, or watching your edges slowly disappear, you are not alone. I used to be right where you are, frustrated, wasting money on miracle products, convinced my hair would never reach its full potential. But then I discovered something game-changing, 3 simple oils, probably sitting in your kitchen right now, that actually work. And when I tell you my hair transformed, stick around because today I'm breaking down exactly how to use them to get thicker, longer, healthier hair naturally. Let's get into it. Okay, let's talk about something that's been saving hair for thousands of years, long before fancy serums and expensive treatments even existed. I'm talking about natural oils. Ancient Egyptians slathered them on for legendary thickness, Ayurvedic healers swore by them, and even today, science backs up what our ancestors knew. Your kitchen might hold the key to faster hair growth. But here's the thing, not all oils are created equal. The magic happens when you use the right ones, and here's why. They feed your scalp. Dry, starving follicles equals slow growth. 2. They fight inflammation, a sneaky cause of thinning. 3. They keep your scalp clean and balanced, no clogged pores equals happy hair. Basically, if your hair's stuck in a meh phase, these oils can wake it up. So let's get into the top 3 that actually work, backed by studies and my own stubborn edges that finally grew back. 1. Castor oil, the bottle of hope for thin hair. Why it works? That thick, sticky texture. That's ricinoleic acid, a powerhouse for circulation. More blood flow equals more nutrients to your follicles equals hello, new growth. What it fixes? Weak edges, dry scalp, breakage. Science says, a 2015 study found it can boost prostaglandins, aka hair-growing hormones. How I use it? Warm a tablespoon, massage into my scalp like I'm plotting revenge, 5 minutes minimum, then sleep in it. Did this 2x/week and saw baby hairs in 3 weeks. 2. Rosemary oil, the fairy godmother of hair loss. Why it works? It's basically nature's Rogaine. No joke. A 2015 study showed it works just as well as minoxidil for regrowth. What it fixes? Thinning, slow growth, sad scalp. My experience, mixed 5 drops with coconut oil, left it on for 30 minutes. After 2 months, my ponytail got thicker. Even my stylist side-eyed me like, what's your secret? 3. Peppermint oil, the wake-up call your follicles need. Why it works? That tingly chill. That's your scalp freaking out in a good way. Blood rushes in, follicles wake up, and boom, growth mode activated. What it fixes? Lazy hair cycles, oily/dry scalp imbalance. Science says, a 2014 study found it boosted hair thickness more than minoxidil in mice. And hey, if it works for them. Pro tip, always dilute it. 2 to 3 drops in a carrier oil, massage, then rinse after 20 minutes. Trust me, your scalp will tingle its way to growth. Final truth? These oils won't work overnight, but if you're consistent, they will work. Ask my edges. Why this version works better? Sounds human, casual, funny, plotting revenge, and relatable. Ask my edges. More engaging, uses bold claims, nature's Rogaine, and storytelling, stylist side-eyed me. Simplifies science, explains benefits without sounding like a textbook. Encourages action, gives clear, doable steps with personal proof. Your foolproof 3-step oil routine for insane hair growth. Let's keep this stupid simple. You don't need 10 steps, just 3 oils, 3 days a week. Stick with this, and I promise you'll see a difference. The weekly game plan. Monday night equals Castor Oil Power Hour. Warm it up, slather it on your scalp like you mean business, wrap your hair, and sleep in it. Wake up, rinse, and watch those baby hairs pop. Wednesday equals Rosemary Oil Scalp Massage. Mix 5 drops with 2 tablespoons coconut oil, massage for 5 minutes, get that blood flowing. Leave for 30 minutes, then wash. This is your natural Rogaine. Treat it like gold. Friday equals Peppermint Oil Wake-Up Call. 2 drops mixed with a carrier oil, massage in, let it tingle for 20 minutes, then shampoo. Hello, fresh follicles. Pro tips to double your results. Stay consistent for 6 weeks. Hair growth isn't magic, it's science plus patience. Grab a $5 scalp massager. It's like a workout for your hair follicles. Ditch sulfates, harsh shampoos strip your progress. Go gently. Hydrate plus eat clean. Your hair grows from the inside out. Chug water, snack on nuts and salmon. Quick recap because you're busy. Castor oil equals thickness and repair. Rosemary oil equals minoxidil level regrowth. Peppermint oil equals blood flow boost. Science plus real people swear by this combo. Including me. Comment below, which oil are you trying first? Or drop if you're doing all 3. One more? Should I do a full tutorial on DIY growth masks? Or the best protective styles for length retention? Let me know. Remember, your hair journey is yours. Don't stress over someone else's day 30 progress. Celebrate your wins. Hello, less breakage. Stay patient, trust the process, and keep growing. P.S. If this helps, smash that like button and subscribe. I drop real, no BS hair tips every week. Let's do this.